Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths Track 1 session. In the last class, you did how to plot the points and read even first sum, right? Now today, I am explaining you second sum and third sum, okay? Or else second and fourth, okay? Second and fourth sums. Okay, children, see the second question here in exercise 4.3. In exercise 4.3, the second question is x minus y equals to 2. How to draw the graph? Okay, so first I am doing the solution, what we have to do on the right side of your graph. Okay, I'll explain, then I'll send you the pic of the graph. You just go through it once. Okay, see here, that means the solution of the graph I am going to send through the image. Now x minus y equals to 2. Okay, then minus y equals to 2, minus x means plus x, but here always the wanted variable should be positive. Okay, you can do two things here. Okay, to make it y positive, you can multiply the whole with minus symbol, the whole equation with minus symbol. That means minus into minus plus equals to minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus x. So you can do in this way. This is one way, but here and I am telling you the easiest way. Okay, listen very carefully. We want only y. Okay, but here y is negative. Why can't you send to the right side and bring to this side? That means x here plus 2 will become minus 2 equals to y. Therefore y equals to x minus 2. Y equals to x minus 2. Okay, let x equals to 0. Let x equals to 0. So y equals to 0 minus 2. That is y equals to minus 2, children. That means 0 comma minus 2. That means 0 comma minus 2. Next, x equals to, I'll take it 4. Okay, so whichever the number you like, you can take it, children. It is depend upon you. And y equals to 4 minus 2. That is y equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. That means 4 comma 2 is the point. Next, x equals to, I can take 2. Okay, I can take positive 2. That means y equals to 2 minus 2. So y equals to 2 minus 2 is 0. That is 2 comma 0. Okay, after that you all know what to do. You have to prepare one table for the coordinate axis, that is x, y and comma x, comma y. So what is x here? 0. That means, and you got here minus 2. And x you have taken 4, and here you got 2. Then here x is 2 and y value you got 0. That means 0 comma minus 2, 4 comma 2, 2 comma 0. It depends upon the values which you have taken. Okay, and draw the table by using the ruler in your graph. Okay, neatly. So like this. Okay, so this graph I'll show you in the graph book. Okay, children. So the next question now. Okay, children, see the fourth question here. 3 equals to 2x plus y. Okay, 3 equals to 2x plus y. Now 3 equals to 2x plus y. What I am explaining this sum and first before sum, you have to write in graph book only. Okay, when you come to school, you have to show the graph book. Okay, because you all know for the maintenance of the book, we have some marks. So now we want y. So 2x will bring this side. That means minus 2x equals to y. That means 3 minus 2x equals to y. So you can write even y equals to 3 minus 2x. Now same, whatever the number you like you can take. But mostly when it is small numbers I prefer with 0. So let x equals to 0. So y equals to 3 minus 2 into 0. That is 3 minus 0. That is y equals to 3. That is 0 comma 3 is 1 point. Next, let x equals to 1. If I let x equals to 1, so y equals to 3 minus 2 times 1. So y equals to 3 minus 2 ones are 2. So y equals to 3 minus 2 is 1. That is 1 comma 1. Okay. Here 2x, that means x means 1. So 2 ones are 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 comma 1. Next, x equals to minus 1 you can take. Okay. So it's not necessary to take all the time the positives. You can take even negatives also. So y equals to 3 minus 2 of minus 1. So y equals to 3 minus into minus, that is plus. So 2 ones are 2. So y equals to 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. 3 plus 2 is 5. That means x, y, x comma y. This tabular form is compulsory, children. Okay. So 0, when you wrote x here 0, you got the y value 3. Next here x is 1, then y equals to 1. Here x is minus 1, you got here y 5. That means 0 comma 3, 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 5. Okay. So like this you can draw the tabular form. Okay, this is all we have to do in the graph book, and don't show me in the classroom book and doing and roughly graph in that. You have to do only in graph book, because I gave so much time to purchase the graph and so much time to complete the graph also. Okay, because last time you have lost your marks because of the graph. So this time I don't think so. Okay children, see the page number 75, that is 7th question. Because 6th question is very easy. You can apply formula F equals to ma, that is force equals to mass into acceleration. Very easy children. Once you try, if not I'll send you the key for that. Okay, 7th question. And that is not a graph at all also, 6th one. Okay, coming to 7th one. Amini and Fatima, two students of class 9th of a school together contributed 100 rupees towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. That means you have to frame an equation by the given question. Here Amini and Fatima. This is 7th sum children. Amini and Fatima. There are two children here. They are studying the class 9th. Okay. Together, that means Amini plus Fatima together, both together contributed 100 rupees. They both together contributed 100 rupees. Now, this one how to write in linear equation? You just take the contribution of Amini's is x, and that means the amount contributed by Amini is x rupees and the amount contributed by Fatima is y rupees. Then total, that means x plus y means rupees x plus rupees y. That means x rupees plus y rupees, total together 100 rupees. That means x plus y equals to 100. See, you got an equation. Okay, this is the rough work. This means what I understood the question I wrote. Okay, when you are writing the solution, children, you have to write here, let the contribution of amines. Okay, let the contribution of amines is equals to x, and the contribution of Fatima equals to y rupees. You can write x rupees and y rupees. And according to the question, okay, this is all you have to do in the graph only. According to the question or according to the problem, anything same. Okay, they both together, that means total together, they contributed x plus y is equals to 100. And you all know that from this you can frame a points and draw the graph. Up to here I gave the clear idea. Okay, so how will you do now? You just find first y equals to 100 minus x. Now children, here it is the big number, that means 100. You just take 100 x as like 50, 60, 70 like that, because it comes very easily. Otherwise you want me to do? Okay, I'll help you out. Okay, I'll show you how to write the points. X plus y equals to 100, right? As I told you that y equals to 100 minus x now. Why I am asking you to take, you can take even 0, nothing will happen. But you have to take the number, x is 100 means you have to take, you can take x is 0. You can take x is 0, 1, 2, 3 also. But here, if you clearly observe here, 100 here. That means 100 minus 0, 100. That is no problem. But whereas 100 minus 1 is 99. That means in the graph, you have to write, plot the points according to 99, 98, 97. So it's become little bit difficult for you. Okay, so that's why, that means you will get the solution. I am not telling you will not get the solution. But it's a little bit clumsy. Clumsy is in the sense, you will get confused. Where I have to take 1 unit equals to how much like that. You may not get exactly. So that's what, always when you are doing the graph, you should have what? ముందు ఆలోచన ఉండాలంటారు కదండి, అది కంపల్సరీ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, గ్రాఫ్ డ్రా చేసినట్టు చూడండి. Let x equals to take 50, then y equals to 100 minus 50. So that is y equals to 50. That means x equals to 50, y equals to 50. So 50 comma 50. Next, x equals to, you can take 60. So y equals to 100 minus 60. That is y equals to 40. That means 60 comma 40. Next, x equals to, you can take, if you want you can take 40 or you can take 70, anything same. So y equals to 100 minus 40. So y equals to 60. That means 40 comma 60, you got it. Now, okay, you have to frame again tabular form x, y, x comma y. That is 50 here, 60 you have taken, and here 40. So here you got 50, here you got 40, here you got 60. So 50 comma 50, 60 comma 40, and 40 comma 60. Okay, so like that you have to frame a table and you have to draw the graph for that. Okay children, is it clear? Next, I'll show you this one also in the graph. Okay, 3 sums today I'll show you in the graph. Next, the next question. See here children, the 8th question. Already we finished in 8th Roman remaining sums, but as I told you that only graph sum left now. See here he has given the Fahrenheit formula, that is F equals to 9 by 5 times C plus 32. Already we discussed this problem, but only the thing is graph. Okay, now here is asking the first question, 8th Roman first question. In the countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is the linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. Here they gave the formula, that is F equals to 9/5 times C plus 32. Okay, next, draw the graph, the first question. Draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. That means, is asking us to take the Celsius as x-axis and the Fahrenheit y-axis. Okay, for this sum I am giving you kilo. At least you do this sum graphically. Okay, that means Celsius is asking us to take x and Fahrenheit y. So always he never gives into, and that means hint. And the hint will never give in the examination. So that's what you have to consider the variables according to you. That means Celsius x, Fahrenheit y. Now coming to the equation, that means given one, that is F equals to 9/5 times C plus 32. Okay. Now F means what? Y equals to 9/5. 9/5 times C means x plus 32. Okay. That means y equals to 9/5x plus 32. So you can leave the equation like this. Okay. You can leave the equation like this, or still you want to simplify it means, children I am telling you, still if you want to simplify means, write here 1. But again same you will get, that means whole by, that's why it is better, okay, it is better to leave it here. Now here x value, that means let x equals to, you have to be very particular about the value of x, because here y equals to what? 9/5 times x plus 32, and 9/5 into x. But if you take x value anything, see that it should be divisible by 5. Whatever the value you are taking of x, you see that it should be divisible by 5. Suppose I am taking here 5 only. Okay. This one you have to do your own. Okay. Just only I am giving you one clue. Y equals to 9/5 into 5 plus 32. So y equals to 5 get cancelled. So 9 plus 32. That is 41. That means 5 comma 41. Now suppose here x-axis you may get little bit 5, 10 like that. Okay. Then you may get y values 41 like that. That's what you take the 1 centimeters like multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, or else 10, 20 like that. Okay, whereas coming to the y-axis here 41 is given. So you can take like 20, 40, 60, 80 according to the y coordinate. Okay, after selecting by you, that means whatever the value of x you consider, you may get different points. You may get different points. So according to that, you consider and do the graph. Okay, so by this we finish this exercise. Only 2 more sums are left, children, that we are going to discuss tomorrow. Okay, and by that I think we complete chapter. Okay, and I may start the next chapter because, okay, for examination you may have that chapter also. Okay, have a nice day, children.